Engineers working in conjunction with prominent manufacturers have developed special tools to aid in installation of PVC-coated conduit systems. PVC touch-up compound is used to repair nicks, cuts, and abrasions to the outer surface of PVC-coated conduit. Apply the exterior touch-up compound liberally over damaged areas. Because this material will not adhere to bare metal, it is advisable to overlap existing PVC coating. Sometimes it may be necessary to apply several coats in order to obtain adequate coverage. Allow the first coat to dry completely before applying additional coats. Another application for exterior touch-up compound is for use as a sealant at access fitting openings. In wet locations, apply thread compound to factory threads, assemble, then brush touch-up compound over the sleeve joints. PVC exterior touch-up compound is available in pints with a brush tip applicator. It is also available in a 12-ounce aerosol can where cosmetic coverage is desired. PVC touch-up compound, however, is not formulated or intended to bind to the metal substrate when damage penetrates the coating and exposes the metal substrate. For these cases, a PVC coating repair kit was developed using a custom-formulated, UL-recognized 2-part epoxy capable of bonding to both polyvinyl chloride and steel or aluminum substrates. The repair kit includes all tools needed to prepare a small surface prior to applying the epoxy patch. This includes an emery cloth to prepare the surface of the damaged area, the epoxy solution, cleaning cloths, mixing tools, mixing board, instruction sheet and chemical information, and an applicator tool for the compound. To repair the damaged surface of the coating, follow the enclosed instructions. First, use the emery cloth to prepare the surface of the damaged area, removing any debris and creating a good surface profile. Next, use the wet cleaning cloth to remove any excess debris and wipe the area dry with the dry cleaning cloth. Pour equal amounts of the compound from the mixing tube onto the enclosed cardboard mixing surface and use the mixing sticks to mix the compound completely until it is dark gray in color. Once fully mixed, use the enclosed applicator to apply an even coating to the damaged area. The compound will adhere to both the PVC and the metal surface. Several coats may be necessary. The PVC coating repair kit uses a 2-part epoxy cold weld system that creates a permanent bond that can be shaped, styled, and sanded after curing. The PVC coating repair kit epoxy sets in 6 minutes and cures in 3 to 4 hours to a dark gray color that matches Rob Roy's existing PVC coating. Z-wrenches are designed to replace standard adjustable pliers. Z-wrenches feature extra-wide jaws which spread the clamping force, enabling the tools to grip securely without marring the surface of the conduit. The V-shaped upper jaw allows the wrench to accommodate a wide range of conduit sizes. Shallow grooves in the upper and lower jaws provide an excellent grip. Z-wrenches are available in 2 sizes to fit 1/2-inch through 2.5-inch conduit. With a spinet, conduit can be tightened much faster than with a conventional tool, and the spinet never touches the coating. Labor and time are saved because no touch-up is necessary for marks from wrenches or pliers. Use a 1/2-inch drive impact or ratchet wrench for 3/4-inch and 1-inch conduit, and a 3/4-inch drive impact or ratchet wrench for sizes 1 1/4 through 2 inches. A special PVC hickey is available to reduce the possibility of damage during conduit bending. It can be used to bend 1/2-inch and 3/4-inch conduit by inserting an uncoated stick of 1 1/4-inch conduit into the threaded hole and using it to create leverage for the bend. Jaws 3 is a set of 3 aluminum nickel-bronze vise jaws designed to replace the regular jaws in a pipe vise. Jaws 3 protects PVC-coated conduit from damage during cutting and threading. These replacement jaws spread the clamping force over a much larger area, greatly reducing the possibility of the pipe spinning in the vise during cutting and threading operations. One set of Jaws 3 handles 1/2-inch through 1.5-inch conduit. When ordering Jaws 3, be sure to specify the vise model that you're using. Use the Plasti-socket and standard 3/8-inch ratchet to speed up U-bolt and beam clamp installation. The Plasti-socket prevents abrasion and cracking of encapsulated nuts, which may be caused by pliers or wrenches, and it assures a tight seal between the nut and the saddle. The 3/8-inch Plasti-socket fits nuts for 1/2-inch through 2-inch clamps. The 5/8-inch Plasti-socket fits nuts for 2.5-inch and larger sizes. Both Plasti-sockets fit a standard 3/8-inch drive ratchet wrench. Buy rigid metal PVC-coated conduit and fittings, install them with proper tools, follow proven procedures, and expect a superior, long-lasting, corrosion-resistant system that pays for itself with lower maintenance costs and reduced downtime. With PVC-coated conduit, you can install it and forget it.